Nothing can separate us from the love of God. Romans 8:38. Alright guys, so this is the final look. And yes, I like it. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, yeah, just keep watching. Hey guys, let's just jump right in here. So I will be starting off with freshly washed hair, and if you guys haven't checked out my last video, please do so. I will definitely try to leave the link in the description box. That TGIN was the truth. I got so many compliments and feedback about how soft my hair looked, and so many different people just asking me where they can get it from. So yeah, if you haven't checked that out, make sure you check it out. Again, link in the description box. So here I'll just be parting my hair. I'm just trying to figure out like what style I want to do. I know this style was pretty much inspired by a style I used to rock back in the day, where I used to do my little side swoop when I didn't really have that much hair. So that was like the only thing that I could do. But now that my hair is like thick and full, I'm trying to part it so I can get the rest of my hair to go up, so I don't have that much leave out in the front. But yeah, I eventually figured out what I was gonna do. So right now I'm just sectioning off the back of my hair so it can go in a little updo, and then I'm just gonna have some curls left out in the front. I decided that I wanted to do a couple little braids at the front as well, and then I'll probably end up adding some accessories. I just thought about it randomly. So right here I'm just parting my hair, detangling it, and I'm going to be using my curls. I think that one was my curl styling cream. I'll go ahead and put all the info in the description box. So right now I'm just starting off braiding my hair, and I decided to braid just 3 braids on the side. So here I'm giving you guys a close-up of my braids. Even though I do braid hair, I still kind of find it a little bit difficult to do my own when I'm having to braid backwards like that. So don't mind me if it looks like I'm struggling. I really am. And if you guys want me to, I guess, do some sort of braid tutorial or just kind of go through it slower, just let me know. I forgot to mention to you guys quickly that I used the Coconut As I Am CoWash, and you guys, that stuff was really bomb. Like, I really enjoyed it. It was creamy. It had a really, really nice coconut smell. Trying my best to recommend products to you guys that I've used a couple times, because a lot of times you can get a product, but if you don't use it a few times, you don't really know how it works for your hair. So I'm doing my best to recommend things that I actually use. Okay, so now that I've done doing my little braids, I'm going to show you how I did my perm rods. I ended up just doing, like I said, the updo. So I put my hair in a ponytail with perm rods on the top, and then I just did the whole front section that I had parted earlier with perm rods just going all around. So I started off just pretty much twisting my hair, and then I combed the ends to make sure that they were nice and straight, and then I just took the perm rods. And if you guys watch my hands and see how I'm twisting it, I'm kind of like winding it up. I find that this is the best method for your hair to come out really nice and curly. Here I'm just showing you guys a close-up. I'm just pretty much doing the same thing, twisting it, making sure the ends are nice and smooth, adding a little bit of product if I need it, and then taking my perm rod. And here I was kind of struggling a little bit. You guys will see in a second. I'm like winding it up, and then when I get to the top, I don't know, something just happened. So again, I'm not a pro with these, but just try your best. And if that method doesn't work for you, it's all good. Just do what works. We are a few days later, and yes, I decided to do my makeup for you guys. Your girl is looking kind of hot. Anyway, back to the video. So yeah, I'm just pretty much taking out my hair, just unraveling it the opposite way that I put it in. I think I let my hair air dry for about 2 to 3 days, and I know before you guys start with the oh my god, I can't do that, if you have a dryer, just go ahead and sit under the dryer, and it should take about an hour or two. Here I'm just separating my hair. I did the twist, so I'm just unraveling the twist. I was kind of struggling, if you guys just see how my hands were. I'm trying not to create frizz, but for some reason when you twist your hair, it can be a little difficult when you unravel it. So yeah, that's the only thing I would say is when you're taking these down, just be really careful. Make sure you have some oil in your hands and just kind of wind it the opposite way that you put it in, and it creates that nice curl. The struggle is real, y'all. Like, I'm struggling trying to take these curls out without creating frizz, but it's okay. I ended up just deciding to go ahead and finish the rest off camera. Phew, looked like somebody got those curls in. So, and I also went on ahead and put some accessories in my braids. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay blessed.